So the Ashtapatis, as we all know, are songs on the stories of Sri Krishna and Radha written by Sri Jayadeva from his book of songs, the Gita Govindam. And today I'll be singing the 19th Ashtapadi, which is tuned in Raga Mukhari and set to Talam Khanta Chapel. And before I sing, I would like to say a few words about this. So, this Ashtapadi is considered to be very special, and actually, this Ashtapadi is about how Krishna consoles and seeks forgiveness from Radha because Radha is angry because Krishna had been spending time with the other gopis and ignoring her. So he tells her, Twamasi mama jivanam, Twamasi mama bhushanam. You are my life, you are my ornament, and you are everything to me. Without you, I cannot survive. Give me any punishment, I shall take it, he says. And when Jayadeva was writing this Ashtapadi, he had completed everything except the last one. And whenever he was to write the last verse, the only thought that came to his mind was Radha keeping her foot on Lord Shri Krishna's head. And as a Krishna devotee, he couldn't take a devotee keeping her feet on the Lord's head. So he was in a dilemma, but every time he wrote, the same thought used to come. And once he had gone out for some work, and Lord Krishna himself, in the form of Jayadeva, came to his house, spoke to his wife Padmavati, and then wrote the last verse. Smara Garala Khandanam, Mama Shirasi Mandalam, Dehi Pada Pallavam Udaram. O Radha, please give me your foot and keep it on my head. Please forgive me. And when the real Jayadeva came, he was shocked to know that Shri Krishna had written this verse and had also spoken to his wife. And this made him feel that his wife was even more blessed, as it was she who got darshan of Lord Shri Krishna first. And because of this, he has not only included his name, like in the other Ashtapatis, but has included Padmavati's name also, saying Jayatu Padmavati Ramana Jayadeva Kavi. And this is supposed to be special because of this verse written by Lord Shri Krishna himself. So now I'll be presenting this Ashtapadi. Hope we all get his blessings today. Atrantare Mushuna Rosa Vasamasima Vishwasani Sahamukhe Sumukhe Mupedya Savridhami Kshita Sakhi Vadanam Dinante Sananda Gadgadapadam Haditrityu Vacha Vadasi Yadi Kinchitapi Dantaruchi Gaumuti Harati Dharati Miram Adigoram Spuradadhara Siddhave Tava Vadana Chandrama Projayatu Lojana Jagodam Priya Charushile Priya Charushile Munjamayi Manam Haridanam Sapadi Madananado Dahati Mama Manasam Dehi Mukha Kamala Madhupanam Priya Charushile Priya Charushile Satyameva Siyadi Sudati Maye Kopini Dehi Karana Kara Sharaghatam घटाय भुज बन्धनं जनय रथ खण्डनं येन वा भवति सुखजातं प्रिये चारुशीले प्रिये चारुशीले त्वमसि मम जीवनं त्वमसि मम भूषणं त्वमसि मम भवजलधिरत्नम् भवतु भवतीह मयि सततमनुरोधिनी तत्र मम हृदयम् अधियत्नं प्रिये चारुशीले प्रिये चारुशीले नीलनलिनाभमपि तन्मितवलोचनं धारयति कोकनदरूपम् कुसुमशरपाणभावेन यदिरञ्जयसि कृष्णमितमेतदनुरूपम् प्रिये चारुशीले प्रिये चारुशीले स्फुरतु कुचकुम्भयो रूपरिमणिमञ्जरे रञ्जयतु तव हृदयदेशम् रसतु रसनापि तव घनजघनमण्डले घोषयतु मन्मथनिदेशम् प्रिये चारुशीले प्रिये चारुशीले स्थलकमलगञ्जनं मम हृदयरञ्जनं जनितरतिरङ्ग परभागम् वनमसृणवाणि करवाणि जरडद्वयं सरसलसतलक्तकसरागम् प्रिये चारुशीले प्रिये चारुशीले स्मरकरणखण्डनं मम शिरसि मण्डनं देहि पदपल्लवमुदारम् ज्वलति मयि दारुणो मदनकदनारुणो हरतु तदुपहितविकारम् प्रिये चारुशीले प्रिये चारुशीले इति चटुलचाटुपटु चारुपुरवैरिणो राधिकामधिवचनजातम् जयतु पद्मावती रमण जय देवकवि भारती फलितम् इदु गीतम् प्रिये चारुशीले प्रिये चारुशीले मुञ्चमयि मानं हरिदानम् सपदि पदनाननो दहति मम मानसं देहि मुखकमल मधुपानम् प्रिये चारुशीले प्रिये चारुशीले